I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After a return of sunshine and highs in the mid-40s to the low 50s today, a bit of cloud cover behind a cold front tomorrow holds those highs back into the upper 30s to the 40s. Thursday, many locations cracking the 70-degree mark for the first time this year, with highs in the 60s to the mid-70s. South winds gusting to around 40 ahead of approaching low pressure may increase the fire weather concerns for Thursday afternoon in some drier locations. Rain, thunderstorms, and some snow possible for Thursday night through Friday when low pressure tracks across Nebraska. Due to that lowest track, not much precipitation is expected. In behind a cold front, strong northwest winds and highs mostly in the 40s, leading to an unpleasant day on Friday. Temperatures may even drop during the day on Friday, and rain may change to snow. The weekend through Monday is dry with a ridge of high pressure. Highs warm into the mid-60s to the mid-70s by Sunday before a cold front cools those temperatures just slightly to the mid-50s to the mid-60s on Monday. Checking our long-term forecast for Sunday through April 10th, Nebraska temperatures are likely to be slightly cooler than normal, while Kansas temperatures range from seasonal to slightly cooler than normal. Nebraska and Kansas precipitation predicted to be near normal to slightly above normal Sunday through April 10th. Key weather factors affecting the markets include more active weather in the U.S., snow melt on a slow pace in the northern plains, and isolated rains in central Brazil. A storm near the northern Pacific coast drifts to the south through the midweek before it veers inland across southern California and the southwest U.S. The second half of the week, the storm crosses the central plains and upper Midwest. A late-season snow event unfolds for Friday through Saturday from Nebraska and South Dakota into the upper Great Lakes. A severe weather outbreak peaking late on Friday into early Saturday across the northern Mississippi Delta and nearby areas. Windy and dry weather maintains an elevated wildfire threat the next several days on the drought-stricken southern plains. Across the southern plains, northern and eastern areas again look to have the best chance of getting some moisture, while strong winds dry out the soil moisture farther to the south. For western wheat areas of the southern plains, rain chances remaining low. Roughly half of the winter wheat in Kansas and Texas is rated very poor to poor. 68% of pastures in Texas and 58% in Oklahoma are rated very poor to poor. Towards the northern plains, cold temperatures are limiting the snow melt, and the risk of significant flooding is increasing when temperatures turn warmer. In central Brazil, wet season rains are becoming more isolated and are expected to remain that way through next month, increasing the concerns for enough available soil moisture for developing second crop corn. Overseas in Europe, active weather continues to bring widespread rain through most areas. Spain and Italy missing out on most of the rain which it needs since it's been much drier the last few months. After a warm start this month in Europe, temperatures are trending below normal, which may slow the development of winter grains. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.